Hello, my lovely Leo. How are you, loves? I hope everybody's well. Leo, welcome to your mid-month reading. For many of you, Leos will be a mid-month. For others of you, will be the new moon reading, and for many others will be the solar eclipse energies. Let's see here, loves, what we have for this reading. I will consider a mid-month because the energy is so upbeating. It's at the highest point. Also, for many of you, it's a good time to start manifesting things you want to accomplish, to bring to your life. And it's a good time to clear the energy and bring new energy into your life, into your abundance. Let's see, Sun, Moon, Rising signs, and Venus signs. What we got for you? General reading, general messages. Take what is yours, loves. Leave what doesn't. Also, if field that is not you, swap the characters, because sometimes I may speak directly to you, sometimes directly to the cross watcher, or directly to the situation you are involved. Let's see, loves. There's no judgment whatsoever, because we are all in some sort of journey. Leos, let's see here what we got for you and what this mid-month new moon solar eclipse brings to you. And overall energy here, we have King of Swords, new plans. For some of you, you might deal here with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, doesn't need to. This could be your energy, of course, if you have air in the chart. But I feel here there's new plans. New plans for doing new things, great things. We have Libra, Taurus here. But I feel here there's something here is like, I got these plans, they gotta work. It's like they are big, huge plans. Let's see. For some of you, you are dealing with a life partner, with somebody who you are been committed or you are committed. Page of Cups, Magician, Temperance. Somebody here wants to make peace, whatever is that situation. Four of Cups, Five of Cups, Ace of Wands. The other one feels like, well, we can't repair whatever it's broken here. We need to learn from this. Seven of Wands and Four of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody here wants to make peace with the other one. The other one feels like this is a lost cause. And it's kind of like, I don't want to deal anymore. Somebody here is holding back very much, holding back the grudges, holding back whatever was, whatever the situation been there. I do have a Sag energy as well, but it's strong energy of what we can do here in this situation. So Leo, what I'm feeling here, somebody here really needs to make peace or wants to. Manifesting like a peaceful resolution. But I feel here one of you doesn't really see that this could be worked on. And also it's kind of like, I knew this will happen, but not the way you come here. Somebody here wants to make their mark and say the things, and the other one feels like, well, this is not quite like what you think. And what the energy I'm picking up here, somebody here feels like misunderstood. It's like love is one language. But there is two people so different. Very different. Let's see here what this is about, loves. For some of you, this apology might happen already. But somebody here feels like, well, this is not what I was looking for. I was looking for something else. Page of Cups speaks to me here. King of Cups. Ace of Swords. Whoever comes and apologize, they clearly see that we can save this by knowing the truth, by speaking the truth. And it's like, I will speak my heart. I will speak my emotions. I am more balanced than I used to. And it's a very, very huge difference into the energy of both of you. Four of Cups, Hierophant, Taurus energy, Death, and Six of Cups. It's like the things cannot be in this commitment as they've been before. Or there's so many things changed over the time. And somebody here doesn't want to get back. It's like whatever is here, we cannot back. It's like we cannot pretend that everything is great and fine and, you know, nothing happened. Five of Cups here. Three of Wands. Yes, somebody here really distant themselves from this situation, or tries to remove themselves. It's like, I hope for something else. I'm looking for something else. Somebody here might say, well, let's do this for the old time. But somebody here is choosing another path. Yes. There might be as well a third party here involved. But somebody here might feel like, I don't want to be involved with you. If you have kids with somebody, Leo, whoever refuse here is not like, I don't want you, but we can work on the friendship for our children, something at that extent. But somebody here indeed looks for something new. It's like, I want a freedom. It's like, I never felt happy or content or feel like this marriage or this commitment didn't need to happen. Whatever somebody here did, it's for the good to the other or for the good to the children. Not necessarily for themselves. And somebody here might say like, well, I want to live for myself once in a lifetime. Somebody here will not really get the point. Justice. Fool. Yeah, somebody here wants a divorce, wants separation. Knight of Wands. Wants to be free. Because feels like marriage is like prison. It's like overwhelming, too much pressure, too much on my shoulder here. And I don't feel happy in any sort of commitment here. Four of Pentacles. Queen of Swords. High Priestess. And somebody here might say, well, I speak my mind here. And many times I run away to speak my mind and my truth and my intuition here. Because I've been afraid of what could be, what could happen. But now I am walking for good. Yes. Somebody here wants to be single. Okay. King of Swords, Queen of Swords. It's like we walk solo. You are on your way, me are on my way. And it's like this connection doesn't grow. But also somebody here, it's like I can't take betrayal anymore. And I've been afraid to let go this connection, but now I'm not. Because I see myself in a better light than I ever been here. So somebody here is like, an apology is not enough. Yes, my loves. This kind of somebody here is claiming freedom. One of you really wants freedom. Another one wants back. It's like promising the love of the other and really wants to reconcile. But I feel here there's a thing here. One of you moves forward. Yes, absolutely. There is movement forward here. And I feel here you might be the one who tells your person that I want something else. For me, balance and stability is something else. And also I feel here, Leo, they've been for quite a while, all these issues happened. For some of you married, you could stay in a deadly marriage here with somebody just because of the kids. And for some of you, the kids are grown up now. So somebody here is like, well, I gotta be free. One of you doesn't want to. It feels like it's kind of selfish, or hey, you want to explore. Like somebody here indeed wants to explore more than what they've been. It's like the life is more about something else than just share kids, family, and things like that. It's like whatever I want to have, now I will have. But somebody here didn't make a move for a long time because being afraid or feel like finances are not okay, or I cannot speak the way I feel I need to. But it's kind of like there are two people here who do have been lived together, but one of you never been feeling that this is my calling. It's like my calling is something else. Yeah, there is something new here, my loves. And I feel here it's you, Leo. It's you, my loves. You are going towards something new. You are the one who decides that I want something new. Even I've been holding on for such a long time. Also, what I'm seeing here for you, loves, one of you might have all the life feel free, do whatever you want. The other one felt more restricted. And the one who felt more restricted, now it's breaking out. It's like, I want this, I want to do that. I don't want to stay anymore where I am. It's like, I want to unleash myself to go forward. Okay? So indeed, somebody here manifests a new beginning. And that, I feel here that strongly you, Leo. I want something else. But I feel here your partner, it's like they still want you there. So here we are, loves. That's what I got for you for this energy. Love and light, Leos. And if you really enjoy this reading, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Any feedback is very, very much valued. And of course, we'll see you next time. Namaste.